Welcome to the 3-Minute Leadership and Management Series, where you will be introduced to a breadth of effective leadership and people management skills that have worked well for me and others I have taught over the years. This series covers ways to address various scenarios as a leader and manager. It will enhance your skill set, and I'll introduce tricks of the trade. But I can assure you, there will be no Jedi mind tricks.
The Force is with you, young
Transitioning
Skywalker.
from leader to people manager.
But you are not a Jedi yet.
If you transition into a people management position ill-prepared and without proper post-training, there's a high probability this experience will be overwhelming and the odds are stacked against you for doing the job well. I have seen this happen numerous times. Employees are looking for the next promotion, and they think that level is a manager or supervisor of people, and they're not ready, or really don't want that responsibility. Some employees are pushed into the management position without receiving the needed support. I have seen this lack of support propagate for years in some companies, to where sadly, it becomes part of the culture. If the answer to the question of, why do I want to be a manager, is something like, I want to help build others' careers, or I want to build productive and collaborative teams, then you're on the right track. Here are 3 tips to help you achieve the right mindset and prepare for a successful people management transition. 1. Get your personal life in order. You can't lead when your personal issues are plaguing you. 2. Develop the skills to be empathetic and charismatic. If you think you have these skills, here's a test. Look around and see if anyone is looking to follow you for who you are, not the position you have. If you are not being followed for the person you are, you have work to do in this area. And 3, understanding people is fundamental to being a good manager, and the book I referenced in the previous video on how to identify a future manager is a great resource for understanding people. Let's see what we have for today. Get the right training before and after becoming a manager. If you have the opportunity to get pre-management training and mentored by a good people manager, embrace the opportunities so you can better understand what you're heading into. Understand your career path. Don't feel like management is the only next step for your career. If you don't want it, for everyone's sake, search for an alternative path to grow. Be ready to grow. Understand you won't have all the skills yet to be a great manager. But if you have the right mindset going in, you are way ahead of others. It is my sincere hope that you enjoyed this video. We have many more fun topics to cover in both leadership and management, and here are just a few. We will cover skills you can learn and go over real-life scenarios I encountered over the years in hopes you can use these stories to overcome similar challenges. If you enjoyed this video, please like and click the subscribe button below so you can be informed when new videos are released. And feel free to leave comments on subjects you would like to hear more about in the future. Take care, and may the Force be with you.
Don't underestimate the Force.